If you searched Gamma AI Explain, you're probably asking one of two things. What is Gamma AI and how do I use it without being a designer? In this video, I'll explain what Gamma AI is in plain English, then we'll build a clean presentation together step by step, and I'll show you how to edit it so it doesn't look generic. Now, what Gamma AI is? Gamma is an AI tool that turns your idea or notes into a designed card, basically slides automatically. It helps with structure, layout, plus visuals, so you're not starting from a blank PowerPoint. Now think of it like this: Google Slides for presenting, plus Canva for design, and AI for turning notes into slides. Now here's what we'll do. We'll be creating a deck the right way so it's not generic, make it match your brand, and also edit slides with AI, and then I'll be showing you how to export it to PowerPoint or PDF. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up to Gamma AI for completely free, and it will help to support the channel. Now let's dive in. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this, and from here you're given a few options. You could either tap on generate and you could use their AI feature, or you could use paste in text or generate from template, or you could choose to import file. So if you want the best results, here's the simple rule. If you already know what you want to teach or pitch, then I would recommend that you select paste in text. If you have a doc or blog post, then from there you could select import. If you are totally stuck, then I would recommend that you tap on generate, but we'll improve it later. Today I'll show you the best beginner workflow, which is paste in text. So what you're going to do is you're going to tap on paste in text, and from here I'm just going to be copying this sample text. So you can see right here I have the title, how AI helps small businesses save time, 3 problems, 3 solutions, example tools, and also conclusion. And you don't need to be in detail, all you'll need is just a simple bulletin point like this. So you can simply copy the text. So I'll copy this real quick. Then we're just going to go back into Gamma and you're going to paste it right here. After you have pasted it, you're going to scroll down. And what I recommend that you do is you're going to tap right where you see generate from notes. Then you're going to tap on continue to prompt editor. After you have selected continue to prompt editor, you will be redirected to this page. From here, I recommend that you go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to be selecting concise. By selecting concise, you won't get a text heavy slide. So you're going to select concise right here. Then after you have done that, you can scroll down and from here you could add in your tonality. You can also select the output language as you can see right there. And you can select the amount of cards that you want. So we're going to be keeping it at 10 cards. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on generate. Now once it is generating, there are a few things that I want you to look out for. First, do the slide titles make sense? Did it keep your key points? And is it readable and not too much text? If those 3 are good, you are already 80% done. So you can see right there, it is quickly loading up and you can see it on the left hand column. Once you have done that, the next thing I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to edit your slides fast. So for example's sake, you can simply tap right here. Let's say we were to select this slide. You're given 2 options when it comes onto Gamma. You can choose to edit it manually by simply tapping where you would like to change. As you can see right there, you could select a particular text and from there you can type in what you want or so on. The other option is you can simply select the entire text line and from there you can edit it using AI. So you can simply tap right here, edit with agent, and you can choose what you would like. So you can, for example, choose to simplify it, shorten it, or improve it. So let's say, for example, I would like to shorten a crowded text section. So let's say I were to select this slide right here. All I would need to do is tap right here where you see edit with agent in the top left hand corner. After you have done that, I could type in right here, be more specific, or I could tap on make shorter, and you can see right there, it will make it more shorter. So you can change the layout if you want also. So I could change the layout if I want. There are numerous options that you can quickly explore by simply going over to the top right here. You can tap here and you can tap on card styling. From there you could change the background if you want. So you could add a background image. You have different options that you can choose from. You can change the layout as you can see for this particular card. So that's how you'll be able to edit it. Another thing that we want to talk about is I'm going to be showing you how to customize it. Now we are going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on theme. After you have tapped on theme, what I want you to do next is you can choose the background color that you want, whether you like it to be dark, light, or professional. But what I would recommend you do is you can simply select it right here, then tap on customize. And there are a few things that I recommend that you customize off the bat. The first thing is the primary color. So you want to choose a color for your particular brand. So you can tap right there. Then you could choose the particular color that you want for your primary color. Next thing I recommend you do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on fonts. From there you can pick a clean font. After you have done that, you can tap on logo and you can upload your logo. This is optional. Even if you do nothing else, this alone makes your deck look professional and also stand out. Now once you're finished, you'll be able to save it. We'll tap on close without saving. Now the next thing we'll be talking about is images. Now when it comes onto Gamma, there are three options that you have. You can use their automatic option, as you can see right here, so they automatically generate images for you. Or you can choose to use the stock image by simply tapping on the images from the top right hand corner. You can choose to use the stock photos if you want, or you can choose to use web images, which tend to be more realistic. Or you can simply add your own images if you want. So you could tap on gallery and you could add your own images, or you can choose AI images. So you have different options that you can quickly explore. Another thing that we'll be talking about is how to present it and how to add presenter notes. To add presenter notes, you'll tap right where you see present from the top navigation bar. You'll tap on the drop down arrow. Then from there, you'll see the option presenter view. You'll tap right here and it is going to carry you to a new page. Then you're going to tap on the pencil icon in the top right hand corner which says edit notes. From here, you'll be able to add your presenter notes. Now this will be present to you, only you alone will be able to see this. Your audience will only see the slides. Now if we were to go back to our slide, the next thing I'll be showing you how to do is how to export it to PowerPoint or PDF. To do this, you're going to tap on share from the top right hand corner of the navigation bar and you can see that you have numerous options. We'll tap on share right here. After you have tapped on share, you could change it, the access to, for example, view. And you could copy the link and share it. If it is a case that you like to export it as a PDF, you will tap on export right here. You can choose to export PDF or export as PowerPoint or export to Google Slides. So you have numerous options that you can choose from. You can also choose to embed it on a website if you want by tapping on embed. Now let's quickly talk about some beginner mistakes. The first thing I want to talk about is using generate with no notes. It will feel generic. The other thing is picking detailed text so the slides get crowded. And another thing is not customizing theme so it looks like everyone else's deck. Now I would recommend that you use your notes plus concise text and a custom theme and Gamma becomes insanely good. In conclusion, that's Gamma AI explained and the simplest way to use it. If you want, next I can show you how to use Gamma to create a one-page website or turn a blog post into a deck in under 5 minutes. If that's the case, you can leave a comment and I'll do that. And thank you for watching, and again remember that I've included links in the pinned comment and description to try it out yourself. Thank you.